Hello, welcome back to another video. In this video we'll discuss about one another example. Here we'll convert a decimal number to a binary number. Here now we'll discuss about that how to convert 84 this decimal number to a binary number system, that is from base 10 to base 2. Okay, so you know already the process from our previous example. This one is just one example. I'll show you how to convert it. Okay, so I have to divide 84 number with the base of the radix or base of the binary number system, that is 2. So here if I divide 84 by 2, then the answer would be 42, and the remainder obviously it will be 0. Again if I'll divide it by 2, then it will be 21, correct, and again the remainder will be 0. Now if I'll divide it by 2 again, then it will be result will be 10 and remainder will be 1 over here. Now again I'll divide it by 2, then it will be 5 and the remainder will be 0. Now again I'll divide it by 2, then the answer would be 2 and the remainder will be 1 over here. Now again if I'll divide it by 2, then the answer would be 1 and the remainder will be 0. Again at the last point if I'll divide it by 2, then the result will be 0 and the remainder will be 1 over here. And then if I want to take the result, the pattern will be 1 0 1 0 1 00, like this way. So if I'll convert 84 decimal number to the binary number, then it would be 1 0 1 0 1 00. So this is the result. If you have any question regarding this question, how to convert a decimal number 84 to binary number system, you can write it in the comment section. So thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.